everyone, welcome to my new channel. Quick intro on me, I'm a former finance professional with experience in investment banking, equity research, credit research with a CFA designation. And for those who don't know what any of these mean, don't worry, they don't mean much anyway, and I'll be covering different types of careers in finance in future videos. So if you could do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button below and I would very much appreciate it. I originally started out in a Reddit subgroup called Midasinvestors to talk about the markets, stock analysis, valuation, options trading, and personal finance. When I was getting started in finance, there weren't many helpful resources, and I thought it'd be fun to share what I've learned with others. And most importantly, I wanted to make one that is sort of a comprehensive channel for everything in finance, including basics of finance and investing, trading, financial modeling, and how they relate to real estate and personal finance, risk management, and so on. Reddit is good in certain ways, but it obviously has its limitations, like I can't share my screen to show you the steps in reading an income statement, or reading charts, or building an outcome model for options, for example. So I started this channel to be more efficient and better communicate what I'm trying to say, because there are lots of folks who are asking for clarifications on certain topics or share a financial model for a company. And by the way, I also have an email distribution list to which I send emails for any files like PDF of a sample stock analysis or a spreadsheet of a discounted cash flow analysis. So please feel free to sign up in the link below if you'd like to receive those. Now back to the topic. There are no right ways to invest, but there are wrong ways to invest in finance. Everything I talk about is from my experience and my way of investing, so they may not be the right way to do it, but at least they're not the wrong way. So feel free to disapprove of my opinions, but at least all my opinions have backup data and support, which makes them at least worthy of listening to, I hope. My goal is to have this channel to be a helpful resource for anything related to finance, whether it be stocks, markets, careers in finance, options trading, real estate, or personal finance, and so on. Now, I want to caveat by saying, by no means I'm an expert in any of these fields that I mentioned. So please feel free to challenge or disagree with anything I say in future videos, because it's just as important for me to learn from you all and improve the channel. So when I say something that doesn't make sense or you think is wrong, please comment and I'll try to read every single comment below. In the videos, I'll be covering the following topics. How to actually invest. I've seen so many channels that are only scratching the surface or are too vague. I'll discuss how to actually start investing, why do stock prices move in a certain way, reading macroeconomic charts and data, learn some important market indicators like the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, Conference Board Consumer Expectations Index, understanding market cycles to be better prepared for next downturn. How to analyze stocks like an equity research analyst. Starting from qualitative analysis to analyzing financial statements like how are the margins trending, what are the drivers of free cash flow, can the company add on more debt to finance acquisitions, leverage ratios, and building financial models including valuation analysis like discounted cash flow analysis, comparable companies, precedent transaction analysis. Many famous investors like Warren Buffett and Bill Ackman say valuation is the most important factor in investment decisions. And which types of securities you should buy. Stocks, ETFs, bonds, commodities. There are a lot of different securities out there, and we'll be covering which specific ones you should buy for your circumstances. Performing technical analysis, looking at stock charts. Third, and this is most important, learn where to find resources for news, financials, charts, and the markets so that you can do all of these yourself. Fourth, careers in finance. Learn what types of roles are out there in finance. How much do bankers actually make? Analysts, private equity associates earn. Are they right roles for you? If you're exploring different careers in finance, which one should you go for? And how do you get one of these roles? And fifth, personal finance management. How much to invest in stocks? Should you pay your mortgage down or personal loan as opposed to investing in the markets? When exactly should you buy a home? At what point do you decide to buy a home? How much money do you need to have saved up? Where and what are the steps to buy a home? Getting a mortgage, what types of loans you should get, how much to make a down payment, how to compute your net rental income, what types of homes you should buy, how to properly manage your wealth, linking your stocks, real estate, savings account, adding sources of income as well. And I know I just threw out a lot of topics, and the reason why I'm covering such a broad list of topics is that everything is linked together. If you earn enough from the markets, you'll need to diversify through real estate, mutual funds, and bonds. I'm so excited to get started, and if you're interested in any of the topics that I mentioned, please press the subscribe button below and leave any feedback. It greatly helps me improve the channel for future videos. Thank you all, and see you on the next video.